Hello everyone, I am Preeti, a recent college graduate from Mumbai. I have passed my FRM exam in November 2024 in very first attempt, all thanks to Deepak sir. So today I am going to share my feedback about FRM exam preparation, coaching and job interviews. I got placed in Credit Suisse as a risk rater with an healthy CTC of 18.5 LPA. Being a fresh graduate, I must say, this is a really good start. Deepak sir helped me with interview preparation and CV building. If you will ask me FRM exam difficulty level, then it's moderate. So if anyone can study 2 to 3 hours a day with strict plan and right guidance, can easily pass the exam. I was an average student with weak in quants, but Deepak sir have designed the course from very basic that helped me a lot to prepare smoothly. Trust me, I can never forget these concepts because he has covered topics with practical example and real life case studies. His placement support is excellent with huge connection in MNCs and investment banking firms. That's very motivating for fresh graduates to start their career. If you are doing bachelor's, I must recommend you to pursue some side certification for better job prospects. I have started FRM preparation from first year of college itself because I have huge interest in finance, and here you can see the result. I have checked all top-notch coaching institutes before joining RBei classes. I choose Deepak sir because he was best on multiple parameters like personalized attention, technical skills, mind maps, test series, and most importantly, affordable. A must-do course. If you are looking for FRM coach, then you can count on him. He's the best.